Hey there, Money Guider Pro fam. Are you ready to learn a super cool and fun way to make money online? Today, we're diving into the world of AI generated music and how you can turn your musical creations into cash. Let's get started. Whether you're a musical genius or someone who just loves listening to tunes, creating songs with AI can be an exciting way to make money online. And guess what? You don't even need to know how to play an instrument or have any music production skills. Thanks to artificial intelligence, creating catchy songs is easier than ever. First up, let's talk about some awesome sites where you can create your AI generated songs. One of my favorites is Amper Music. With Amper, you can compose and produce music in minutes. Just choose your genre, customize the instruments, and let the AI do its magic. See how simple that is? In just a few clicks, you have a unique song ready to go. Another fantastic tool is JukeDeck. It's super user-friendly, and you can create high-quality music tracks in various styles, perfect for videos, podcasts, or even your next hit single. Just like that, you have a fresh track created by AI. Now that you have your AI-generated song, let's talk about how to make money with it. There are several ways you can monetize your music online. Here are a few ideas. Sell your music on streaming platforms. Upload your song to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Every time someone streams your song, you earn money. Use services like DistroKid or TuneCore to distribute your music to these platforms easily. YouTube content. Create a YouTube channel and use your AI-generated music as background tracks for your videos. You can also upload the songs as standalone videos. Monetize your channel with ads and watch the revenue roll in. License your music. Offer your music for licensing. Websites like Pond5 and Audio Jungle allow you to sell your tracks for use in commercials, films, video games, and more. Every time someone buys a license, you earn money. Sell your music on Bandcamp. Bandcamp is a great platform to sell your music directly to fans. Set your own price, and fans can buy and download your tracks. Plus, Bandcamp takes a smaller cut compared to other platforms. Let's see how easy it is to upload your AI-generated song to Spotify using DistroKid. Just sign up, upload your track, fill in the details, and boom, your song is available to millions of listeners worldwide. And there you have it. With AI music creation tools and a bit of creativity, you can start making money online with your own songs. So why not give it a try and see where your musical journey takes you? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Money Guider Pro and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Until next time, keep hustling and making that money.